Antivirus protection can also keep your new toy and your sensitive information safe.
With enterprise-class, high-density data centers across the U.S. and here in Ashburn, Virginia, Lattices offers IT outsourcing solutions from colo to cloud. Visit lattices.com/radio to learn how Lattices can optimize your IT investment. For the first 10 days in February, the 2013 Washington Auto Show at the Washington Convention Center is the hottest ticket in town.